Right now we gotta take this beater over to a good friend of our shop, and I'm gonna reveal to you guys, so don't go anywhere, the big plans. Because you know what, this was dumb, and we all know it was dumb. So now it's time to actually take the R8 and give it the actual build it deserves so that it can be a proper off-road menace to society, right?
Right.
That's what I thought, Evan. Well, Dave, I'm not gonna lie, she's seen better days, but we're gonna rebuild it. Bigger, badder, and better, and that's a promise. The whole goal of this was, hey, this was dumb, but now we go hard, right?
The reality is that we did too small wheel spacers. We need like 16-inch, 20-inch wheel spacers.
Stop it! You're gonna piss these guys off.
No, we're gonna spend some money. So just trust the process.